What if I told you there's a hidden world, a place completely isolated from humanity, an ecosystem that might have remained untouched for millions of years, and it's alive right beneath Antarctica? Sounds like science fiction, right? But scientists have actually discovered a network of underground lakes and rivers, hidden beneath kilometers of Antarctic ice where life might be secretly thriving. Antarctica is one of the most unexplored places on Earth. But beneath this seemingly barren ice, there may be life forms we've never seen before. And the craziest part? They could have evolved in complete isolation for millions of years, with no contact with the outside world. Sounds impossible? Just wait until you see what scientists found by drilling into the planet's deepest layers of ice. Let's start with Lake Vostok. This massive lake sits over 4 kilometers beneath the icy surface of Antarctica. To give you an idea, that's deep enough to stack 11 statues of liberty on top of each other. And it's no small lake. Lake Vostok is more than 250 kilometers long and nearly 50 kilometers wide. That's almost the size of Lebanon. And the wildest part? It's been completely sealed off from the outside world for at least 15 million years. The water hasn't frozen due to the immense pressure from the ice above and heat coming from inside the Earth. Now comes the question that's kept scientists up at night. Is there life down there? In 2012, a Russian team managed to drill into the lake, but it wasn't until 2015 that they analyzed the samples and found something no one expected. Over 350 types of unknown microorganisms were detected, some with genetic sequences unlike anything we've ever seen. Some scientists even asked, did we just find alien life on Earth? Not because they came from another planet, but because they evolved so separately, they're practically foreign to our current world. And that opens up a mind-blowing possibility. There could be complex life forms hidden beneath the ice, in places we once thought uninhabitable. And Lake Vostok is just the beginning. Using radar and satellite sensors, scientists have identified over 400 subglacial lakes scattered across Antarctica. A hidden world of rivers, caves, and submerged ecosystems. One example is Lake Willens, which lies 800 meters beneath the ice. In 2013, a team drilled into it and bingo, they found living bacteria. Yes, bacteria that survive without sunlight, under extreme pressure, feeding off rocks. These microbes draw energy from chemical reactions between water and minerals. It's like they're microscopic miners living in a frozen realm. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with me? Well, beyond expanding our understanding of life on Earth, these discoveries are crucial for the search for extraterrestrial life. That's right, if bacteria can survive in such extreme conditions here on Earth, why couldn't they exist on Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, or Saturn's moon Enceladus? Antarctica has become the closest natural lab we have to the frozen worlds out there. In other words, looking down might be the key to understanding what's up there. But not everything has answers. To this day, Lake Vostok hasn't been fully explored. The drilling was partial and carried risks of contamination. Imagine the responsibility. If we introduce modern bacteria into the lake, we could destroy an untouched ecosystem millions of years old. It's like opening nature's secret vault and maybe ruining everything inside. There are even signs of hidden caves and unexplored passageways. Environments that could host something more complex than just bacteria. Maybe small animals, crustaceans, or something we don't even have a name for yet. We spend our whole lives thinking we know our planet. But the truth is that more than 8% of Earth's oceans remain a mystery. And now we're discovering that the frozen continent may hide entire underground worlds. What else could be buried beneath our feet? And what if this hidden ecosystem reveals life forms that completely rewrite what we know about evolution? Are we ready for what might be down there? In a world where we've explored Mars, landed on asteroids, and sent probes beyond our solar system, there are still secrets buried right here on Earth, waiting to be discovered. And what if the greatest mystery in the universe is beneath the ice? Did you enjoy this deep dive into Antarctica's secrets? Then go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Do you believe complex life could be hiding under the ice? Or is nature holding on to something even more mind-blowing? See you in the next video with more unbelievable facts you never imagined.